Hi, today is Monday the 30th of August and this is the SPX Outlook for the coming week. As you can see, the market is very bullish. We have seen from the lows only 10 days ago we are up about 200 points or so. So this is a little bit concerning for market neutral traders. On the 4-hour chart we see that the market is now testing the very strong resistance. This is the same level as on the 1-hour chart that we're going to see just now. So I would say that at this point this resistance will hold at least for a while. That being said, we have a strong correlation with the Nasdaq 100 and DX, and this one is also close to the pivot level, which should be the next target. So we may have still some bullish momentum until it gets there. I think now we're entering a congestion period, but that being said, there's no chance of any reversal right now. This is still, as you can see here, the upward channel that are plotted on the daily chart, and we are definitely into this one. So even if we have some retracement, it is bound to be limited. The high volume bar is still on 44.90, so the market may lose volume momentum here, but this is definitely a very bullish market. Not much else to say on this one, so let's go straight to the daily chart. Daily chart is also insanely bullish. Here we see this upward channel here. I would say that at some point the lower boundary of this channel will be tested, but it's difficult to figure out when that will happen. The news on Friday sent the market to the moon, basically, after Powell said that okay, they will start tapering and the quantitative easing soon. That should have had a negative effect, but I suppose because he chose his words very carefully, saying that, well, the rate hikes are not on the agenda yet, so that reassured the market. So nothing much to say except that, well, yes, this is a bullish market, crazy bullish market. We have to go with the flow. So let's look at the 1-hour chart. Since this is Monday, 11 o'clock, this is probably valid for, let's say, up to tomorrow, but maybe Wednesday. There are not major news until jobless claims on Thursday and FP on Friday. I would say here it should bump on this resistance level for a while, unless it goes to test the channel upper boundary here. But I would say that after such a bull run, a pause would be in order. If there are any retracement, it would be to the high volume, possibly to the first fib. Here we see the 4-hour bullish resistance level. The 1-hour bullish resistance level is here on 4500. So we have support levels, many support levels that would cushion any really substantial profit taking. I don't even see the market going back to support around 43.80. So I would say for the time being, the market is quite comfortable in this upper half of the range, from 44.50 to 45.35, and we just have to hope that the market will not congest. That will be definitely a positive for the current trades that we're going to see just now. Sorry, there's nothing much else to say. It's bullish, it's crazy bullish, and we have to go with the flow. Any contrarian views at the moment, as you can see, bears are definitely not in the game. It's almost a melt-up situation that we're seeing right now. Okay, sorry, I can't say anything more interesting on this SPX Outlook. It will be at best a congestion, but it may actually congest still a little higher. Okay, that's it for now. Next video will be on the current trades. Thanks for watching, and see you on Slack for more regular updates. Bye for now.